and welcome back to my channel. Anyways, in this video you will see me do this look, which is like a great mix of the grungy 2000s, late 90s and like 80s with the colors on my eyes and stuff. I am aware of the fact that my face is darker than the rest of me, which is something I will mention in the video why. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So I don't know what to start with. Maybe I should just start with my eyes. And today I am using the Magic by Juvia's Place palette. Anyway, I think I will start by going in with Cassie, which is this one, and I think I'll just put this all over my lids. Next, I think I'll be going in with Nana. Anyways, I think I'll go in with this, put it in my crease. Something like that, and I think next I'll be going in with Sakija, this one, and put it in the outer portion of my lid. And next I will be going, oops, daisy, I just touched that one. Next I'll be going in with Kogi, which is this red. And I will be putting this like in the middle of my lid. And now for the inner corner, I will be going in with this gorgeous color called Fasu. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is gorgeous. Like so. Maybe now I will be going in with foundation. I have no idea what I'm doing this tutorial, and I'm also going to try this oldie, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I was thinking, since I've gotten a little bit of a tan, it can't probably see it because it's still pretty pale. But since I've gotten a little bit of a tan, I thought maybe it will work. Because I don't know if you remember, but this was way too dark and yellow when I tried it back in 2017. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this a shot. Right now it looks pretty good, but if I remember correctly, it oxidized like a lot, and that's when it didn't look good anymore. Since this is a foundation and concealer in one, I will not be putting any extra concealer on my face. Just gonna settle for this. I'm also saving out my brows, which is why they are pretty everywhere right now. But yeah, let's just continue. I think I'm gonna put like a lighter powder just below my eyes. For my under eyes, I will be using the Sheer Finish Loose Powder from Lumene. So as you can see, this kind of lightened it up a bit underneath the eyes. And the powder I'm gonna use on the rest of my face is just a bit darker than this powder, but still lighter than the foundation. And it is the Wonder Powder from Makeup Store. And I think I'm just gonna finish up my eyes now. I get like stuff stuck on my lips. Yeah, so I think I will be going in with Sakia again, putting this on my bottom. Like so. God, I love that. And next I will be going back in with Fasu, how to pronounce it, put it on my inner lower corner. Like so. And next I think I'm just gonna go in and do my brows. And I will be using the Anastasia Beauty Express for brows and eyes. And I'm going in very lightly. And since I'm saving them out right now, there are a lot of hairs that are below the line I want to have. So I will always start by trying to trace where I want the underline? The lower line, I guess. The bottom line. Where I want it to go, and start by filling that in, and then I'll go upper and then basically middle. And I'm like only using the lighter shading here. Might go in a little bit with the dark one later, but basically just the light. Like, just see the difference right now. And I haven't filled anything in on the tail yet, and basically nothing on the inner part, because I don't want anything there. Like so. Just look at that, and that's like nothing. just a bit of light brown powder, and this is the outcome. Now, I think I'm just gonna use this highlight right here to put on my brow bone. Guess I should finish my eyes right now. Maybe I should go like with a purple in my lower waterline. So I've got the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay in Rockstar. Oh, it's very dark. I'll probably just go with the other one. And I have the Daring Mood Crayon by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I think I'm gonna go with this one because this is the difference. Here we are. So this one is the Linda Hallberg one, and this one is the Urban Decay. So I'm gonna go with the Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. To be honest, I think I might be allergic to something in her crayons, but I super recommend them anyways, just because they are very beautiful. You can do basically whatever with them, and they'll stay there for as long as you want, maybe longer. No. But yeah. I think I am allergic to something because my eyes always get like a heart attack when I use the crayons in my waterline. But anyhow, now I will continue. No, I was gonna finish my eyes. God damn it. I think I might be having an aneurysm. The mascara I am going to use is the Lash Hero Fibre Extension Mascara from The Body Shop. However, I will only be using the mascara side and not the fibers because I always get them in my eyes and it hurts like balls. I think I'm just not gonna wear any lashes to this because I like the way it looks now. Now, I think I will be continuing doing my face. So, for bronzer, I am using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, which smells so damn good. And for blush and highlight, I think I'm gonna go into the Old Faithful Infinity Palette by Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. And I think I'm actually gonna go in with Pinwheel for blush. And for highlight, I think I'm just gonna mix the two. So Milky Way and Virgio, I don't know how to pronounce it. We'll mix these. So I think I will go in with this NYX Liquid Suede. Come on. NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the shade Sandstorm. And I will try this. I hope it looks good. Like so. I like it, kind of edgy. Or do I? I think I like it. I'm just gonna go with it because my camera's running low on battery, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the final look, you guys. My face is definitely not as pale as my chest, but like throw on a turtleneck and no need to worry. Bad. Yeah. Anyways, I hope that you liked this kind of 2000s, 80s mix of makeup. I actually adore the eyes, so yeah, I like that. My hair is looking like a complete mess right now, but it'll have to do. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying either what you thought about this video or what you want to see in my next video. And I will see you then. Bye!